Hi, I'm Ray, creator of CrowOne. During the OpenAI build week, I built and refined CrowOne with ChatGPT and Codex. Most AI systems are built around one intelligent assistant. CrowOne explores a different idea, organizing AI as an organization. Every mission begins with a request. Mission control coordinates the work, research gathers intelligence, knowledge preserves the evidence. Mission control delivers the outcome. Let's launch a research mission. Telegram is simply today's interface. CrowOne is designed to be interface, model, and tool agnostic. Instead of returning an answer, CrowOne creates a workflow. This mission is now moving through the organization. Watch the ownership change. Each representative completes a different responsibility before handing the mission to the next. Every stage leaves behind evidence. Rather than relying on a conversation alone, CrowOne preserves research intelligence, archival records, and closure records as part of the organization's memory. Every hands-off produces evidence. These aren't temporary chat responses, they are durable organizational records that can be searched, reviewed, and traced back to the original mission. When the mission is complete, the executive brief is ready. The result isn't just an answer, it's accountable work. Research is only one example. The same organization model can coordinate engineering, planning, operations, and many other workflows. So in summary, the future isn't bigger models, it's better organizations. One mission, one organization, unlimited possibilities.